Alright guys, so let's have a look at Alibaba. I'm not going to talk too much about this stock because technicals are very simple from here. But the only thing I want to say to looks like a lot of people who are invested in this stock long term, I have even heard that people are like 40-50% down, like with their entire portfolio. I mean, that's not okay if your portfolio year to date down more than 10%. That's absolutely not okay for me personally. I mean, I can't deal with that. So you need to learn how to hedge your positions with options. If you don't, sorry, it's hard to be one-sided trader because stocks pull back, stocks get extremely overbought, and if you don't trim your position and if you keep holding without protecting your downside exposure, I mean, that's what's going to happen. And markets are not going to keep producing 30% every year, just like this year. S&P 500 is up, I don't know, like more than 26-27% now, I guess, hitting 30%. It's not going to do that every year. And even if in that year you are down with these kind of stocks, like 40%, 50%, that's not okay. So stock slipped below that low that it made in October, which was 138. All right, we slipped below. Looks like the next level of support stock is going to is back from 2000. Let's take a look. 18. That was $130 level. All right. So at that level, I am very interested, and also for the downtrend, still this purple line, if you guys are seeing, this is the downtrend I'm watching. Keeps making lower highs, and now today is fresh lower lows. So until it comes to test that purple line and breaks out of that level, stock is still in a downtrend. We're not talking about the Brent, how great they are, and all that talk. All right, so this is a monthly chart. On a monthly chart, you can see stock pretty much wiped out last month's October's pop. Basically, in October, it did bounce very nicely. It did wipe out all of those gains and some more. All right, earnings is out of the way. Singles days, catalyst they had, possibly they're out of the way. But 130 getting pretty attractive to me personally. So I don't have a position in Alibaba. I'm not trading it at the moment. But I looked at other names that are doing pretty well. JD out there. Baidu, I think, is not doing as well. So it's not alone out there to be down. So most of the Chinese names, and even their market is in a bear market, to be fair. So if you look at the Hang Seng, I look at HSI, I mean, it's, what is it? It's down 20% maybe, or yeah. So their market is in a bear market. So just so you have that in mind. What about, let's take a look at the moving averages here. I know that it's way below all of its moving averages, but all right, so it looks like we have a gap to fill. But to the upside for the stock, I will be watching if this stock comes down to test 130 and bounces. I'm gonna watch 138 as a resistance, 150 is a resistance, and this 50-day moving average, this yellow line right here on my chart, this is the 50-day SMA. So that will be my resistance next to watch to the upside if when reversal happens. So it's just a matter of time for me personally to wait for the reversal. I mean, it's just a matter of time. So what else? We can take a look at volume profile. All right, I have been using this lately for the past 2-3 weeks because I have been market became volatile, so I'm trading a little bit more. So if you look at this, yeah, it did slip below this decent 165, 169, all the way till 158. It was the decent volume has traded here. So that means a lot of people bought at these levels. I think even Charlie Munger, I think he bought at these levels. That's where a lot of business occurred. But whenever it slips these kind of levels, you can expect more selling because we're not seeing as much of a support down here. But the price support, 130. That's what I'm watching. What about the option activity? It's still early. 144,000 calls, 77,000 puts were traded. And if we look at the biggest orders that came in so far, and it's been 3 hours since market opened, so we can say half a day has passed. I'm not seeing much of a, all right, we're seeing 2023 330 call 1 year from now. Another one, 130, 140 call spread for 2023. I'm seeing $400 call. I don't know. This is a very cheap one for January. Not happening anytime soon. March, 190 calls. 2023, 130 call, 140 call. So, but if you look at the puts, December, 120 put, 125 put. These puts could be someone who's selling these puts, saying, okay, if this stock by September 17th trading at $120, give me that $2 premium now, and I will buy it at 120 in December. That could be something like this. I'm even seeing January next year, basically 1 month from now, 2 months from now, $100 put. It could be same thing. Someone who is saying, hey, give me $100, but for now give me the premium. But it could be put as well. So and if 130 loses its support, then I really don't know what to watch from there. Let's take a look what's down there, because I don't have any support below $130 levels. So but let's see what happens. That's the update for Alibaba. Learn to hedge. All right, you don't have to be like every day upset about couple percent move up or down in your portfolio, because you are exposed only one way, which is to the upside. We know that markets are rigged to the upside, but well, they go down. Stocks can go down, and it could be frustrating just like this throughout the year. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Take care. Peace.